solve problems with the money, not with the stress. Okay, Hare, this is a small activity only. I will do on my own. I will do on my own. Just only 1 kilometer only. By walk I can go. What is the need of taking auto? Or what is the need of taking rapido? Okay, this is a small activity only. Just repairing this cooker. Matter of just 10 minutes or 15 minutes I will do. Or repairing the kids' cycle, I will do that. Okay. So are just only bringing just a milk packets, bringing vegetables. Okay, small activities only. It is the responsibility of family man. If you are thinking, if you are trying to save the money by doing all these things, by keeping yourself at the full busy, that thing is enough to stop your growth, to slow down your growth. Use money as a tool to save your time. Use money as a tool to protect your energy. That thing must be required. Okay? So, solve problems with the money, not with the stress. Just I told, right? In your salary, just a 5% is not mine. I will arrange an assistant. Just give 5% to your assistant. Suppose your salary is 1.5 lakh. 5% means 7,500 rupees if you keep aside. 20% of your free time. 20 to 30% you are going to get free time. But the problem here is, no. 7,500 I don't want to waste. Let me do these kind of things. What the need of a separate assistant? Is really that much work is there? Like most of the people are always going to feel they are falling in the trap and they are busy with those small activities only. Saving too much can slow down your growth. You require to solve the problems with money. Money. Okay, so use money as a tool. Spending to save your time, spending to protect your energy is not the expense, it is a leverage. So, compulsory use money as a tool. Array, so you are going to get this service with this money. Yes, definitely. Use money. If you are getting some time, is going to be you are going to get some free time. Means how much money, man? No problem at all. No problem at all. Happily you can spend. Happily you can spend. That thing must be required.